Let us experience a new product in the construction industry. Next, I will lead you to witness an incredible situation and see how long it will take us to build a 2-story 140 square meter office space with glass walls. Guess how long it will take? Please leave a message below. This is the first day, let's go with me. In the morning, the foundation and bottom frame of the first floor have been completed, and the wall panels and doors will be installed in the afternoon. We can see that there are only 5 workers. 3 of them are installing, and the other 2 are preparing to cut materials. The wall panels are shipped as a whole, and some wall panels need to be cut at the construction site to suit the installation of doors and windows. But don't worry, they are all easy to do and won't take too long. Installation methods and tools are very convenient. The main structure frame uses screw links, so people with less experience can get started quickly. The workers said that they will install the aisle first to avoid missing the steel frame installation when we come tomorrow morning. The size of the standard container house unit is 3m6m, and the size of the walkway container unit is 2m6m. Their bottoms have been upgraded from 9 to 1/4 purlins. The size of the standard purlins is 40mm 80mm. We upgraded 4 of them to 80mm 80mm thickness. Make sure it will be more stable. Both the quantity and thickness far exceed those of its peers. This is the basis of the project, consisting of 2 4 pillars, 1 pillar every 3 meters. The MGO floor has already been laid. Because we were late, the bottom purlin is not visible. But we can see a total of 1/4 purlins from the side, and every 2 40mm 80mm purlins will add a thicker 80mm 80mm purlin. In fact, there are also 2 3050 long purlins at the bottom, which are composed of multiple small purlins. We can't see them for the time being. When the second floor is installed, we will try if we can see them at that time.